Creating a WooCommerce Wordpress website involves setting up a WordPress site and then integrating the WooCommerce plugin to enable e-commerce functionality. Here's a concise guide. Set up WordPress. Purchase a domain name and web hosting plan. Install WordPress to your hosting provider's control panel or use a one-click installer. Install WooCommerce. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for WooCommerce and click Install Now. Activate the plugin once it's installed. Run the setup wizard. WooCommerce will prompt you to run a setup wizard. Follow the steps to configure basic settings such as currency, payment methods, shipping options, and tax settings. Add products. Start adding products to your store by going to Products, Add New. Enter product details like name, description, price, and images. Organize products into categories and text for easy navigation. Customize your store. Choose a WordPress theme that is compatible with WooCommerce or install a WooCommerce specific theme. Customize the appearance of your site by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts. Set up pages. WooCommerce automatically creates essential pages like Shop, Cart, Checkout, and My Account. Customize these pages and add additional content as needed. Test your store. Preview your website and test the purchasing process to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Launch your store. Once you're satisfied with your website, launch it to the public and start promoting your products through marketing channels.